Hey y'all, it's me, Dolly, back at it again. Oh, first of all, hey, it's me, the one and only Dolly Prada. How are you doing today? We are back with an unboxing, and this time it is a sponsor. Okay, so do with this information what you will because it was gifted, not paid. Very honest review, but this time it's fragrance, and this came from YSL. I am a YSL advocate, a YSL Beauty Advocate. And if you want to learn how to be a brand ambassador and such for brands, then comment down below. I want to know, and I will let you know in either a short or a full-length video. Let me know what you prefer. So we're gonna open this up, give our first impressions and our thoughts and such about the bottle, packaging, all that type of stuff. So if you're thinking about purchasing this YSL, I think it's the Libre. We'll find out. But if you're thinking about purchasing this, I have it so that you can see it before you buy it. Should we be extra? Oh, we're gonna be extra, okay? Showcasing new number 15. Beautiful. I love this color. This is really nice. I like this a lot. So yeah. Anyway, we're not here for that. So let's get into this. Anyway, let's see. YSL Beauty invites you to indulge in Libre Eau de Parfum, a fragrance that captures the essence of freedom and individuality with invigorating citrus and floral notes. With invigorating citrus and floral notes, balanced by a warm vanilla base, Libre celebrates the confidence and liberated spirit. Embrace your freedom, define your style, the YSL Beauty's Libre Eau de Parfum. Don't forget to tag YSL Beauty, hashtag YSL Beauty, and gifted by YSL Beauty in your content. Hashtag gifted by YSL Beauty. Okay, so there's that. All right, let's see. This is what it looks like. Thanks, YSL, for recognizing me and putting me on this list. Anyway, so we have the YSL Libre Eau de Parfum. I think I've said it about 4 times already. So let's give it an open. Let's see. Let's just get into it. Yes, so she's official. Your mom wishes she was me. Oh, we have her. We have it. Ladies and gentlemen, we have it. I thought the Mason Margiela was one thing, okay? And then we have the Victor and Ralph. I didn't post that because at the time, I just really didn't feel like it. But I feel bad because this is my jam right here. This is the cut, okay? This is the bomb. Okay, people do not say that anymore, but yes. Let's see. I hope it smells good. People hype this up so much. Let's see. Where do you go? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna say my very first thought, right? First impression, Macy's. Does that make sense? Okay. Yes. If I actually give my opinion, yes. If I actually give my opinion, it smells really nice. It's nice. It's soft. One thing that I am noticing with these luxury brand perfumes are that they're very subtle. They're not like extra at all. There's no like loud notes. I think like even in the Victor and Rolf one, it's a combination of scents and you can tell, but no scent or no there's no scent in it that dominates the other. So there's no like, oh, this is strawberry, you know? Like I have a fragrance by Okja and I think it's Sweet Dream. And that one is clearly strawberry. Like there's other notes in it, but it's like such a dominant strawberry smell that it's very like, it's an annoying smell, if that makes sense. Make sure I had to. One thing I do know about fragrances is that when you spray it on your body, it smells differently. Excuse my volume, my microphone's messing up. but it smells differently. So when I sprayed it on myself just now, I'm getting an orange scent, and I don't think it said orange, but I'm kind of getting that. Oh, citrus. Yes, I'm definitely getting the citrus coming through all the way. Like for me, that's the top note, is the citrus. So yeah, definitely day out, springtime for sure. This is a nice spring scent. Yeah, but just wanted to let you know that if you don't know, when you're spraying it on a piece of paper or something, it's not the same as your body, because the oils in your body transfer and merge together with the fragrance, and it creates its own scent essentially. So make sure you spray things on yourself to really know how it's going to smell on you throughout the day. Hold on, I'm almost finished. But I like this one because it's soft, it's nice, it's subtle, but it's classy. Like, it smells like you have some change. Like, don't wear this around people that you don't want them to ask you, like, where do you work again? Like, you don't want that type of question. Yes. Get yourself put together. This is something to spray on, but definitely not the cookout. Definitely not like the little barbecues or anything like that. Not an everyday wear. So this is something that I would wear like to stunt at church. You know, like Christmas dinner, Thanksgiving dinner, that type of thing. When you get around people and you want them to know that you're classy. Okay, this has a really nice scent. It's like I said, first thought that came to my head was Macy's. So like you're walking through the department store, you're smelling very, I can afford anything in here. So I like that. It's cute. It's a cute, nice, calm scent. I like it. And if that's your thing, if you like to smell good, if those settings are appropriate for you, then I think that you should maybe give it a try. Hopefully this is the biggest size, and they have smaller ones that might be a little affordable. I'll go ahead and try to link it down below on YouTube Shopping. I'll see if it's on Amazon, and if it is, I'll link it on my Amazon storefront. But nonetheless, I'll put some type of link somewhere for you to check this out. Make sure you subscribe for more fragrance related content. I have tons of fragrances, like a lot, that we can go through and just see together what works and what doesn't work, however you want to go about it. But definitely stay tuned for more content like that, as well as subscribe to my website, dollyprada.com, where I have tons of different blog posts, beauty reviews, all types of things. I will be having a blog post coming up about my top 3 favorite fragrances at the moment. But as always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. You have a blessed day. Make sure you subscribe, share this video for someone else that is looking to purchase this and wants an honest opinion about it. But thank you so much.